Was full toss. He hit it well, and he'll not miss on those opportunities. What looped up and will go to the fence. Was a full toss again. Will take it, and is a saver for him. That far, keeping your cricket passion waiting. And he made it. He carved the befriended the ball, and looks very easy going. And a whack. Where has it landed? With one bounce, batting on 25. Cries of catches, and nobody will catch that. And pa down. Full toss has converted, and everyone seeing, and will spill the ball down to clinch you victory. Half tracker, and he's punished it, and 50 with this bat. Well, but was kept low. Moves across again. Will be a lot of job. A lot of job for him. And he converts. And it's out of the park. And everything they touch here is turning out to be gold. And he's cleaned him up. The last laugh will be laughed by Satish. He said, I had you enough. You've played well. And has whacked it. Whacked it over extra covers for 6. To look his figures. On a full toss. And he'll put it down. And a straight, where has he hit it? And with one bounce, very close. Comes down again. And his habitat. He's just proving everyone wrong and saying very majestic and a royal shot. Half tracker. And there's no stopping for him now. And his catch is the call. And with the catch being spilled, it'll run away for boundary. How many catches have we seen? And he's headed over the fielder's head. And will be a boundary to end. Straight and rocket. And juggling. He shows his skills of juggling and he holds on the ball. And will collect boundary. He slices the ball. Vinay Straight catch is the call. Somebody catch. It's kite high in air. Fielder running. And will not make any mistake. Who's got 4 wickets. Looped up. Full toss. And will cut away. Will cut the fielder away and will go to the feet. Let's clean him up. Looked very easy. Sweeps on one knee. Conventional sweep and will fetch him 4 runs. Sharp fielding. And will be 4. Sky high. And hit it well. Keep the He swings with force and will go to the boundary for 4. And he's been given out. Teams who have gathered here on ground for match number 23. Please give your playing 11. The shot's good. I request captain of Kevin 11 and it'll run away to fence. Everything's fading away now. We request the captain of Kevin 11 and captain who's won the toss.
We're going to bat first. So Nothing. Our strategy is like we'll stick to our bat. We have a decent batting depth, so we'll stick to that. We'll try and put a decent number of score, and then it will ease our bench. Like we wanted to give the chances to other boys who are sitting from last three matches. So let's today, and let's see what they have for the team to produce.
I hope things go well.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've come down here for the post-match presentation. Smiling faces and few disheartened faces. But cricket is a game. We've gathered here to the post-match presentation ceremony. The match played between Hell Rockers versus All Stars. Firstly, we thank our proud sponsors, Hell Rockers, Foursquare Sports Shop, R11, RR Stones, MSR Tipper Services. Let's recap a quick summary of the match, what has happened. Hell Rockers, who won the toss and wanted to bat first, were in a strong position after scoring 195, imposing the target of 196 for All Stars to score, where they failed to score and fell short of 58 runs. That's a whooping target. 58 runs to be falling behind. And I have the captain who's here from All Stars, Sridhar. I really feel for you firstly, and a hard game for you. You've done everything well, but the luck not going in your favor today as well.
Yeah, I think first thing is losing the toss because gripping the ball was very tough in morning session, so it was very tough to bowl actually. So provided they batted well also, that's another point. And then we actually started well, but unfortunately fell short again. So I think middle order is where we need to look for and then see in the next games. So,
you have one last game pending, and like you talk about fielding and fielding, the only reason where I thought the fielding was going down is the fine leg region, the leg side region. Anything which is very special there?
nothing special as such. I mean, everybody whoever is fielding has to put concentration and then field well. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So we can't really pinpoint one person on that. So we'll see.
That's the captain spirit taking on you. That is the captain where everyone require. And I hope the last game you want to change things around. You didn't start well, but definitely want to close things really good by winning. I wish you all the very best. And we have the other captain who's also standing with us here, who's pitching in. Who's Sudarshan, who's coming in up. Who's got the other knee on behalf of his captain. So if you can please come here, because the frequency of the mic. So firstly, congratulations. You defeated them with the whooping margin.
First of all, I want to congratulate my boys Arjuna and Mahendra Reddy for giving a fantastic start for us. And later Randir and rest of the team has finished the innings. They have helped us to score a big score.
And how about with Arjun, who's picked 3 wickets and scoring half century? How crucial was Mahendra's knock after a long break? He has come back in the team.
Actually, they are the big guns of our team. We should not talk about Arjuna, he's an experienced guy, and at the same time Mahendra Reddy also. Actually, we had a very good experienced team, so experience matters.
Truly, it does. 4 games, you won 3 and 1 lost 1 game to seal your position. And without wasting the time, the man who's standing, Arjun, let's get him in the limelight because he's the man who's stolen the show and took everyone by the whirlwind. Firstly, the captain will felicitate him with man of the match. Before Arjun can go on and rejoice his win, I'd like you to come here and have a word. Congratulations firstly, 56 of 56 balls and 4 overs you've completed, 3 wickets and 23 runs conceded. How economical is it?
So I felt like pulling down the page would help a lot for them not to score the boundaries because the ball was coming out of the bat really good. So if we bowl really slow in the air, then we can get the turn. So that was the key where I picked 3 wickets.
Did you think you are the only all-rounder in the team because you've done mostly all the boxes, you've ticked all the boxes, the batting department and the bowling department as well?
If you pick up anyone from all 11, you can see all the people who can bat, bowl as well as field. So we have many players who didn't have a chance to expose themselves, like Jaisurya, Randeep. There are many all-rounders, good all-rounders, where they didn't get a chance because we occupied most of the overs in the first innings.
Whatever you did was truly magnificent and you were dominating. I really appreciate and I'll allow you to enjoy the moment of today's game. Thank you and much appreciated for your time. Thank you. Thank you and let's go straight to match number 23 played between MHB Hungans and Kevin 11. Good afternoon, welcome to match number 3. Match number 24 in total and match third of the day. Playing between U1 Property Developers and R11. I have captain of teams here, Captain Gopi, who's representing U1 Property Developers, and the usual face, Raghu of R11. Interesting figure and very interesting pool. R11 in fact leading and toppers of the table, but mind you, where everyone's equalized with their figures 4, 4, 4 and 6, and R11 would want to confirm with the closing their position. The coin has been spun and U1 Property Developers has won the toss and elected to
Bat first.
They won the toss and elected to bat first. This is the third game and you've got the decision. Third game of the day. And you've got the decision. Why would you think that you want to bat first?
If you can come here for the frequency.
I think like for getting the ball that's why I do get bat.
And do you have any changes in your team?
Yeah,
One change and playing with one change as you played that this is going to be your fourth game and having an interesting composition in the table. And this is one of the toughest pool. So do you think this is the game what you would like to seal, and with this R11 is also on the lead?
This is our favorite team, but this is good match for us. Batting
And thank you for your time. Let's straight go to the captain Raghu, who's coming to have a chat with me. Firstly, you're the top of the table, and any pressure on that?
I think all are equally good. It's a fighting pool. So we need to win each and every match we play, each and every day.
And very interestingly, you have a very good NNR, and with this, if you can manage to win, that will be the seal that you'll put yourself in the driving seat to position yourself in Platinum Cup.
The main basic is to win the match. That is the very important thing. Play good cricket.
Any changes in your team before you go?
New faces now.
That's a lot of fun, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you. This is the news from Center, where U1 Property Developers won the toss and elected to bat first.